Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel Basics course. Today, we're going to learn how to customize the status bar at the bottom of the Excel screen. Let's get started. The status bar is the bar located at the very bottom of your Excel window. It displays helpful information like totals, counts, and averages based on your selected data. For example, I'll highlight the data for sales 1 here. You can see that the status bar shows the sum is 320, the average is 46, but what if you want to customize this bar to show other information like count, min, or max? It's super easy. Just right-click on the status bar and a menu will appear. From there, you can select the options you want to display. For instance, select count, and now you can see how many data points are selected. For example, if I select a range, it says 8 items. Select numerical count, and it shows the number of numerical entries. You can also display the minimum value, like 2, or the maximum value, like 96. This makes it super easy to analyze your data quickly without using formulas. That's it for today's quick tip. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps you work smarter in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.